All right, here we go, guys. We'll start off right there. Welcome, everybody. We're going to do a AcreetionOS installation. Okay. All right. Put that right there. All right. So this is AcreetionOS. Okay. All right. So which okay. So what you have, everybody. We're going to do a all right AcreetionOS installation. Okay. Hold on. Click out of that. All right. Put that right there. So this is Accretion OS. Okay. All right. This is Accretion OS, guys. Okay. It's a Linux distro. If you guys don't know, it's based off Arch. I like to thank Natalie and Darren for developing it. They did an awesome, good job. Okay. So the listing, the Linux kernels. Okay. So these are all the kernels that you could pick, and the kernels you could pick. Okay. You got the stable old version. See, you pick any kernel you want. It don't matter. If you're a gamer, you pick the Zen kernel. Okay. And if you don't want to pick nothing, you'll default by the regular kernel. And if you don't want to pick a web browser, and it'll default to Firefox. Okay. So I'll pick the Zen kernel. Okay. And you have your drivers and stuff too. Okay. So you pick what drivers that you want. Okay. So I'm AMD, so I'll pick AMD. Okay. Then I'll pick the AMD decoder. Okay. Right there and hit next. Okay. And here's all the software, that comes with it. Okay. Okay. For your gamers, you have Lutris. You got Steam. Okay, you got heroic. That's like for the Epic store, and Luchas is for mostly all the like the stores like the Epic, Steam, and there's more stores that are add on to it. Okay, here's your chat software. You got your Ventoid, your Discord, your software. You have your OBS. You got your V412 loopback. That's for Discord. Use that in your OBS. And here's your browsers. If you don't want to pick all these browsers, like I said, Firefox comes installed first. Okay. So we'll do desktop. Okay, we'll do OBS loopback for the camera. For the virtual camera, right there. And there you go. Okay, we'll do Steam. Okay. This isn't a virtual machine, but we're not gonna really play any games in it. But I'll just let you know what I would choose. Okay, I'm not gonna use none of these. So I'll just hit next. Okay, okay, and you select your language of your you select your language of your keyboard. We have all different different you got French. He's got yeah, it's all different ones. Okay, you go to there, you go to swap. Okay. And this is really customizable too, guys, because it's based off Arch, so you can do whatever you want with it and stuff. Okay, so hit next. Okay, password. Okay, and seeing it automatically logs in, so you don't have to. It's everything's all pre-checked already for your GTY and all that stuff. Everything's same password, everything. So you don't really have to do nothing. You just type in you just make a password. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay. Whatever. Okay. This. Okay, why did my let me. This is. Uh, Let me see why did. Embarrassing shit. This froze. All right, let me see. Let me restart it real quick. Hold on. Oh, okay. Let's restart it real quick. You gonna let me jump out of here? Oh, we'll close it out. We'll redo it. I don't know. I don't know why it froze though, but yeah. What the fuck? I mean, I don't think I gave it enough. Let me get out of here. Close. Let's do everything from the beginning. I will restart it. Let's do everything from the beginning. That's fine. All right. So here's your empty boxes. Okay, so we're going to install it. Okay. Install. All right, let's see. All right, there we go. This should work now. There we go. All right. Do installation. See, this is pretty cool. Wait for it to pop up. AcreetionOS. All right. Installation time. Okay, where in the fuck? Okay, let me see something. Hold on. There we go. All right. There. Okay, so here's everything that you know. You could pick whatever kernel. You pick whatever kernel you want. But if you're a gamer, you'll go for this kernel right here. The the Zen kernel. The Zen kernel. And if you got Nvidia, you'll pick this one. But I have AMD, so I'll pick this one. I pick that one for the gamers. One. At least, and we just need one. Okay. All right. There we go. Next. Okay. And here's like all the stuff, like for the gamers up here, like Lutris, Steam, bottles, for window games. You got the Heroic, which is the Epic Store. Okay. But I don't need none of them. Just showing you guys an installation. Yeah, we'll install them anyways. That one. This is what I would pick. Okay. I just need that one. Okay. Steam runtime. Right there. Okay, so I would pick Desktop. Okay, pick Desktop. Okay, right there, and okay, and then all this other stuff I don't need. I'll just use whatever it comes with. Okay, you go right there. You go next, next. Hold on, let me see. Okay, English United States. Next. Okay, okay. So if you guys want to try it, just put it. Use Ventoid or whatever you use, Roofless or whatever. And you try it as a live CD. You don't have to actually install in your PC. You can try it out and see how you like it. Okay. You see, you guys like it. See what's cool? Everything's all logged down automatic, so you don't have. You don't have to type no password. You just turn your computer on and it goes. You know what I mean? That's how it goes. Hold on. All right. So yeah, that's all you guys do. There's the installation. Bam. Okay. Yep. Right there. Right there. Okay. So see, and this is everything. It's installing. It's installing all this stuff. All right. And it's customizable, and yeah. And then if you guys need help or anything, all the discords are in the link. And if you in the website, if you want to try AcreetionOS, the website's in the link, or you could go to distro watch and look it up too. And if you guys need help, just hit us up on Discord. We'll be glad to help you guys out. Hopefully everything is going okay with you guys. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Enjoying. I know I'm having a good day because I'm off work. But tomorrow it'd be better because I get off earlier. That's what I like because I get off early. Yep, still downloading. So, like I said, if you guys want to test it, put on Ventoid or Roofless or whatever, make it a bootable ISO and test it out. Test it out before you install it, or put it in a virtual box and install it and see how you like it. Download it off the internet. Get a virtual machine. Make a virtual machine and do it that way if you want. Just test it out, see if you like it, and then if you like it, just put it on a USB stick. You know, we're watching. I know I'm having a good day. Good day today. Enjoying. See all the stuff that's is installing it, and if it's messed, if it don't install right or something, it'll say error code. But everything's installing pretty good though. It's almost done. Hopefully, everybody's having a great day. Yeah, because I kind of, I kind of messed up. That's why. Yeah, things happen. You know, no, nobody's perfect. AcreetionOS, nobody, not even you, Grandpa Linux, not even you. Yeah. So what's going on, Grandpa Linux? Linux Grandpa. Hey, things happen. It's all right though. Everybody messes up. How was your day, Linux Grandpa? How was it going, buddy? Is my voice really good? Can you hear me perfectly? 'Cause I know you can. All right, buddy. I know you are. I know. I knew. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this installation. Then I gotta go eat. But like I said, if you guys need help in increasing OS, this Discord links are on the bottom. If you want to test it out, use Ventoid or Ruthless and make a boot boot drive, or if you want, install it in a VMware and test it out. And if you need help, Discord links are on the bottom. But it's really good OS. You won't be disappointed. I'll tell you that right now. Thanks to Linux Grandpa and Natalie for making this happen. Oh, do I have closed caption on so everybody can read it? If I do, nice. I wonder why he's behind for. I don't know. It's almost done, guys. I gotta eat dinner. Dang it. I'm out of coffee. No more coffee. But that's all right though. Bees what it bees. I got coffee, but the pot's gone. You know what I mean? Oh, you know I enjoy the OS. Have fun walking the dog. I'll see you in a bit. I'll talk to you later on Discord. You want to chat after you get back from walking the dog? Do do do. All right, man. Well, I'll text you in the morning like I always do. Have a good night. Be cool. All right, I'm gonna shut my camera off because I have to eat, guys. And I want to be all rude. Yeah, whatever. Let me finish this real quick. I'm gonna finish this installation real quick. All right, it's done. Okay, so go right there. Go to restart it. Oops, wrong button. It's done though. Okay. Okay. Okay, right there. All right, here we go, guys. There we go. There's AcreetionOS. Okay. You go right there. You go right there. You go right click. You go to desktop settings. Okay. Oh, this is a virtual box. This is a virtual machine. So, yep. And you go right there, and you go. All right, make it a little bigger. All right, there's that. All right, so I'll show you how to customize it. Okay. Okay, so go right there. Go right there. Bam. Go right there. Okay, here's all the customizable stuff that you could do. I gotta eat, guys. Sorry for being eat. I gotta eat before it gets cold. See, here's all the. Let me make it bigger for you guys. Okay, there. He's gonna make it bigger. Here's all the themes that you guys could pick. Say, like a lot of themes, guys. Okay, so we're doing a lot of themes you guys could download. Okay. Uh, download this thing. Okay, so when you guys download a theme, go back. Okay. Okay. So here's the theme that you downloaded. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Theme. You change your folders too. You got all these different options. I thought I downloaded this one. Let me download it. Okay, it's downloading now. And then make sure it works and make sure it's checked. Make sure I have to check on the bottom. See, it's right there. And you have all these to choose from. Go here, you pick whatever you want, whatever you want. You know what I mean? Okay, like that for right now. Okay. So, get out of there. Okay, see there. See, now you can do this. I got it. Okay, go. He's gonna show it. I'm gonna go. Well, it's downloading the stuff. Yeah. Okay, here's all your stuff. Okay, download that one. Okay, and yeah, want to see wobbly windows? Okay, wobbly windows. Okay, download that one. You know, gotta have the wobbly windows. Oh, wrong one. Let me see. There we go. We got wobbly windows. Cool. Okay. Okay, it's pretty cool customized stuff, guys. You know they they did good work on this. All right, so go back right there. Okay, but you gotta make sure these are checked. Okay. Okay. See, wobbly windows. You go there. Okay, so they're checked. They're good. Okay. Okay, you delete all this. Okay. Mm. You got some cool effects too. Okay, so see what else. Where is Magic Lamp's pretty cool. That's pretty cool one. Magic Lamp's pretty awesome. Download that one. Okay, Magic Lamp's pretty cool. Yeah. We gotta make sure everything's checked. Okay, highlight it, add it. Okay. Hit that. Hit the little key. Okay, and this is like your ratio how you want it, you know, how fast you want it or how to go. Oops. Okay. Okay, this is where you know, you can add whatever you want. You know what I mean? See, watch, I'll show you. See, customizable. You know what I mean? There's so much you do in, out, or however you want to do it, you know. See, it's just, yeah. 'Cause we have Y installed. Yeah, we do. Okay. See, there's yeah, you are. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we'll make sure everything's good. Everything's okay. Yep. Make sure everything's up to date. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Look at all that. Let me see. All right, guys. Let's see what else. Yeah, so there's all kinds of customization and stuff you could do with it. And hopefully, you guys enjoy it. Like I said, if you guys have problems, go go to the discords. They're all in the description, and let us let us know what's going on. Okay.